Hello everyone, so this is Amita from Ami's Paper Passion. I am back with one of the albums that I had shared before with the pictures put in. I thought many people like seeing how the album can be filled up, and it gives them a better idea about what can these albums be used for, or how they be used, and how effectively it can become a beautiful memory book to mark an occasion, or generally to look at your pictures over and over again. So I had made this album for a 10-year-old girl. This is 7 by 7 album, fully customized as per the requirements of the mother. She has thankfully agreed to me sharing the whole album again with the pictures put in. When I had shared it before, it had a different cover, so we went back and decided what to do with the cover, because that was looking very plain. So what I did was that I put this MDF element, happy birthday. This is a paper doily. The beautiful aquamarine pearls. So the girl likes blue. That is why we use this collection. These pearls actually give out the best effect of the whole cover. This is a die cut, and I put the girl's pic, and I don't know whether you can see it, but I have added Mod Podge glitter on some of the elements, like this hair, happy birthday on the pic, so it gives a nice soft sparkle in the light when it catches light. And these are foam flowers, and this is the spine that was the same as before. This was journaling card from the collection. By the way, this is Floral Symphony collection from Dress My Craft, and this is the back side, which has a beautiful wood grain effect. So let's get this. So this is the inner front cover, sorry, and we had a small pocket here. This is so all the pictures have been decided by the mother. The theme of the album, every page rather, it has been decided, but I have filled up the album for her. So she's added wishes from a lot of her family and friends on various pages, as you will see. And these are the pictures that we put on the journaling cards. This is a tiny envelope that I made for her from the cover collection paper, and she has put someone's sentiments in them. This opens up, and again these are the pictures that we've put in, and I had made a small book cover and extra pieces that I've given, so they will use one as and when they want. They can add pictures or use the book cover. This is a beautiful fun page, so she's put all the sentiments here, and it opens up like this. So this being the 10th birthday, we have documented all of the 9 years of the baby girl, and the current pic comes out like this. This is the surprise element. I hope you're able to see it. This is the best feature of this album. Then this is the first insert. So I fussy cut one of the pictures, and this is one collage that the mom has prepared and that we stuck here. And this is the fussy cut. This is a floating 3D pop-up element. So it comes out. We've put a picture here as a surprise element. I know all pictures are catching light, but I'm so sorry for it. And this can be put up anywhere on a table or desk space which has pictures. She could put some more sentiments if she wants, but later on maybe. This is an accordion fold envelope, so it opens up like this. Sentiments have been put here, picture, and it's rotating, so we put all portrait pictures of the baby girl. Excuse me. This is the second insert, again a fussy cut pic and a die cut sentiment and another picture. This is a pop-up box, so I've tried to kind of make it look like a crown. I don't know whether you can see it here, and it opens up like this. So this is a pop-up box I have put this cut piece to open the box. This is the sister's page, so she has made this pic, and it opens up like this. 4 pictures here, and this is their family pic. So, and this is a floating pic, so it looks beautiful. You pick 4 pics here and here too, so a lot of pictures in a tiny space. And this is another pop-up element, and more pictures. And all fussy cut pictures of the baby girl, or the birthday girl, sorry, not baby, 10-year-old. And these are more journaling cards from the paper collection. She's put wishes and more pictures here. This opens up, and this way, this is the hidden pocket, or belly, not belly band, it's a pocket only, so you can put all the journaling cards here. And it opens up this way also, so it's an accordion fold element. Then this is heart accordion fold, so it opens up like this and this way. And again, lots and lots of pictures and wishes. This is the 4th insert, die cut element, fuzzy cut pictures and big picture. And then this is flip flop element. Now I don't remember, but it opens up like this, and then you can open the whole page, and you have lots and lots of pictures. To close it or lock it back, you have to put back all the pictures, and then it won't open. So this is another fun card and surprise part. And this is a belly band of sort, but it opens up. It opens up like this, and there's a waterfall, increasing waterfall, and we filled it up with lots of pictures, fuzzy cut pictures. This is the closure, and it opens up like this. Another bookmark, and I've used Velcro because we decided to add on this element at the last minute. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed or liked the how we have filled up the album, and I hope you all get a good idea about how these albums can be used. And thanks for stopping by, and I hope you like my channel and subscribe to it, and also share it to people who might like it. Thank you.